Hi there. Nice to see you here at the All Hands. Big morning with a new strategy rollout. How are you finding everything so far?
Hello, Mr. Mackenzie. My name is Glory from Engineering Department. It's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, and thanks for saying hi. I'm doing well. It's been an energizing day. Engineering is central to what we just talked about. What did you think of the strategy overview this morning?
Oh, I thought it was really insightful. Hi, guys. So, in this episode of How to Be a Promotable Person, we're going to talk about how to make a positive impact on senior leadership. Now, senior leadership may be someone that, let's say, a management or one of the companies. If it's a company that is owned by a group of person, a senior leader can be there as part of the partners. Okay, so it's important for you to, if even if they are not necessarily affecting your promotion directly, but it's important to be somebody that a senior leadership or senior leader rather respect. I have this AI thing where you could practice how to actually engage with a senior leader. So LinkedIn has it, but you only get to access it if you have a premium account on LinkedIn. So I have a recorded video where I was just playing around with the whole AI thing. If I see a senior leader, how I'm going to greet the person and how the conversation is going to do. It is not even something you can predict. So the AI might just say something that you don't expect. So you have to just think on your feet. And that's actually the realistic scenario when you see someone you don't want to do, you don't know what they're going to say to you in response to your greeting or whatever. Okay. So you would want, if you have a premium account, jump on it. But if you don't have, please watch the AI role playing video and just go ahead and just try out things for yourself. So this is LinkedIn role play with AI powered coaching in case if you meet your boss or your CEO in an abrupt setting. This is how you can communicate effectively with this LinkedIn premium role play in order to make a positive impression on your senior leadership. So first of all, we have to load up the page and you read up all that LinkedIn has to say about it, the LinkedIn learning platform. That's what I used for this video recording. So you have to follow the process, how the conversation is going to go about. Introduce yourself, make sure that you state your name and your department and the role you play so that the CEO can easily engage with you. Then you demonstrate a strong, authentic comment in strategy in order to strike up that impression that, oh, this person in this company knows what he or she is doing, and avoid too much details. So we're just going to practice that. So make sure that you pay attention to the key things that LinkedIn learning platform has showed us on how to communicate to your boss, to your CEO, in order to stand a chance to get a promotion or to be recognized as somebody that knows what they are doing in the company. So this is us trying to practice. It is really simple. Just read up all the instructions there and then you click to start. Okay, this AI powered feature is really interesting. You don't know what to predict really that's going to happen, so you just have to go with the flow and start. So let's start it quickly without wasting time.
Glad you could make it to the All Hands today. Quite a morning, huh? What did you think of the strategy overview?
Hello, Mr. Mackenzie. It is so nice to meet you in person. I thought the strategy was so on point, especially with the part where you mentioned the use of AI, leveraging AI in our products. I thought that would be really helpful in making sure that our customers have a wonderful experience. And of course, it will definitely help the engineering team as well to just build more features that would have a very lasting impact on our customers and overall in the business productivity.
Nice to meet you as well, and I'm glad that part resonated. AI should absolutely help both customers and engineering, as you said. I'm curious, in a sentence or two, how do you see your team connecting to that direction?
Oh, my team and I were definitely going to leverage AI in making sure that we scale faster, deploying more incredible features that are tailored to our brand, and of course, making sure that our customers just have a more personalized experience and just overall making profits for the business. Exactly.
That sounds very aligned with where we're headed. Personalization and speed are big themes for us. Love that you're already thinking that way. If you had to pick one AI driven win for your team this year, what would you be most excited about?
I think that would be the AI writing feature where we just have like a documentation done faster. And that will incredibly help us to, in the area of trying to get more hands, especially new people to join the team. That way we get to have a smoother transition process. Yeah, you're always free to just join the team or stop by to see what our team is coming up with.
Onboarding and documentation are great use cases for AI. That's exactly the kind of practical impact we need. I'll let your leaders stay closer to the details, but it's good to hear that energy. By the way, are you enjoying the all hands format this time around?
Yes, I am. I am really. How about you?
I am too. It's great to feel the energy in the room and hear how people are thinking about the strategy. Thanks for sharing what your team is doing. That mindset is exactly what we need. I should keep moving down the line, but keep leaning into that AI work.
Thank you so much. It was really my honor to see you. And yeah, take care.
It was nice talking with you as well. I
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun. Take care. I'll see you in the next episode.